Hello everyone, this is Emeka and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to end your songs using the minor triad and using the minor 6 chord. Are you excited? Let's get straight into this lesson. So we're going to be in the key of C major today. So let's have a brief run of the C major scale. So the C major scale briefly, C is the first note of the scale. So C is the 1. D is the second note of the scale. So D is the 2. E is the 3. F is the 4. G is the 5. A is the 6. B is the 7. And back to the 1, which is the C. Okay, now there are a lot of ways people end songs. Some people end their songs using a 4-5-1 chord progression, and that's going to sound something like this: F major, G major, and then a C major at 9 chord. Okay, and some people can play a 2-5-1 chord progression. Okay, and they could play something like this: D minor 7, G dominant 7, and then a C major 7. And some people can try to be much more clever. They can use a tritone substitution and play a 2-flat-2-1 chord progression, and they'll play something like this: D minor 7, D flat dominant 7, and then back to the C major 7. Okay, so that will be a 2-flat-2-1 chord progression. Now, if you're someone that loves gospel, you hear a lot of gospel folks do something like this: F major, G major, A flat major, to the B flat major, and then to the C major I have 9 chord. Okay, that's one of my favorite gospel churchy endings. Okay, so now let me show you a much more simpler method you can use to end your songs, and you can learn right now. It's not going to take you much time to learn. Okay, and so this is the way it's going to sound if you want to end your songs using a minor triad. It's going to sound something like this: F major at 9, F minor, and then C major. One more time. I'm going to play one more time for the last time. So let me break down why I just played right now. Okay, so I started off with a F major at 9 chord, C F A on my left hand, and C F G C on my right hand. Okay, then from there I went to the minor chord, which is the F minor triad. I played C F A flat on my left hand, and then C F A flat C on my right hand. Okay, so that was the F minor chord. Okay, then I went to the C major chord. You can play a C major chord or a C major at 9, but let me just assume we're playing a C major chord. Okay, so that is C E G on the left hand, and then C E G C on the right hand. So the whole chord progression from the beginning becomes F major at 9, F minor, and then C major. Or you could play F major at 9, F minor, and then a C major at 9. For the C major at 9, you play C E G C on your left hand, then D E G C on your right hand. Okay, now let me show you the second method. The second method, you can end it using a minor 6 chord instead of a minor chord, and if you do that, it's going to sound something like this. I'm going to play that one more time. Woo! Sounds beautiful. So let me break it down for you. Okay, you're going to start off with a F major at 9 chord, C F A on the left hand, and then C F G C on the right hand. Okay, and then you're going to transition to the F minor 6 chord, C F A flat on the left hand. Then your right hand, you're going to take your thumb. A lot of gospel folks do this. You're going to take your thumb, this fat guy, and you're going to press down C and D. Okay, then you play F A flat C. So we're going to have this. So this is going to be your F minor 6. Okay, then after that, you're going to go to the C major at 9 chord. You're going to play C E G C on your left hand, and then your right hand is going to play D E G C. Okay, so the whole chord movement from the beginning becomes F major at 9, F minor 6, and then a C major at 9 chord. Very simple, basic, and straightforward. So instead of ending your song like this the next time, why not try something like this? That sounds beautiful and professional. Okay, so this is a cool trick you're gonna add to your playing that will make your playing sound really, really, really interesting. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share, and if you have any questions, let me see them in the comment section. I'm going to reply them. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.